Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make puppet made of paper, full guide. Gather paper, scissors, glue, markers, and optional string to build a simple articulated puppet. I will walk you through folding a body, cutting jointed limbs, decorating the face, and attaching string or brads for movement. Follow my pace, pause when you need, and enjoy making a playful paper puppet step by step. Fold a rectangular paper to form the puppet body and practice a few sample folds first to find the look you like. I will explain mountain and valley folds and show how an accordion fold adds volume and strength. Keep folds crisp and consistent and trim edges cleanly to avoid bulk. Reinforce key joint areas with small tape strips so arms and legs hold when you add brads or string connections. Decorate your puppet with markers, pens, or light watercolor washes to build personality without soaking the paper. I will demonstrate attaching limbs using brads for sturdy joints and using string for hanging or hand control. Test range of motion early and tweak brad tension or string length to get smooth arm and leg movement. Add small paper clothes or accessories to complete the character and make play more fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.